Last time we learned some hard lessons. Tighten your lugs with a torque wrench. This time, we face our fears. Me and Buddy here are gonna go for a drive. Oh my god, I just got pooped on.
You did?
Yeah.
There was a crow right up there.
Ugh. So we're going out to Squamish again, but we're gonna go to a place that we've been to before where we couldn't get through because of snow. But now that the melt has happened, we should be able to get through. Our friend up there in the Toyota, he's been up there a bunch of times, I guess, and he wants to show us because he says it's really pretty. But today, I have a special plan for my buddy in the Toyota. First, a little backstory about Chris. This was Chris's beloved 2003 Lexus GX 470. If you don't know already, that's a Toyota landcruiser in luxury trim. Chris loved that old car. He loved it so much he spent 4 whole days giving it an Icon Vehicle Dynamics 3-inch lift with bypass shocks. And as soon as it was finished, I went to join him on his very first off-road shakedown and found him in this situation.
Proceed to the left.
Let's try it. Go!
Unfortunately, this Land Cruiser never drove again.
Viewer discretion is advised. This scene contains images some viewers may find disturbing.
The motor was hydrolocked. After much soul-searching, Chris did the only thing he could to save the car. He used his insurance to get another GX 470 and had all his upgrades installed in the new vehicle. If you've ever been in that kind of stomach-churning situation, you know it can really shake you up. So today, I have a plan to get Chris and his Toyota back in the water. I saw this YouTube video that says that every single small town in Canada has some huge large object like this is Squamish's lumberjack.
Airing down?
I am a little bit, yeah.
I've never aired down. I have no idea how to do it.
Just have to tell you that airing down has changed my life. This is the very first time I've ever done it in a vehicle, and it feels like you're driving a it's just so nice.
Yeah, well worth it, and boy did I ever learn my lesson last time.
It's like milk.
That looks fun.
Oh, that looks so fun.
Actually going to 4. Useless cell phones, man. So Chris just drove up that and I missed it because my finger hit the button. You want to do it again, Chris?
No.
Oh wow, we are going through the fog.
There's all these little waterfalls at the side of the road and
Whoa.
stuff to splash through. And up here is the kind of thing that just makes you want to sing "Oh Canada." We're up so high, everybody's ears have popped. We've encountered some snow and Chris is gonna give it a shot. I don't know if that really looks like you can get anywhere. Pretty mushy. This might be as far as we can get. It's really soft and deep.
That's the thing, it's very soft. So it's like the moment you touch it, the car just like sinks in.
The other side might be better. This is really deep on the left. Too heavy, too soft. We're up on a clear cut. You can see Squamish back there, but this way it just turns into like a single track, maybe for motorbikes or something like that. So we can't go there. So we'll have to turn around. We're still looking for a nice pretty place to have lunch. And we also found something just for Chris. Nice and slow for you, just to show you what the depth is. You can read it off of my tires. And are you freaking out?
I am so grateful that you're going slow and doing what you're doing, but I definitely have a bit of PTSD right now.
Roger that. Is he gonna do it? Yeah, he's doing it. Good man. The car behind Chris shows it may not be deep, but definitely counts as a win. That's pretty. Well, good for you for coming through the water there.
No, it was like, I was like, I have to do this. It's all gonna be fine. Oh my God!
Nobody wants me to worry about filming right now. Everybody's hangry. We didn't find a lake or anything, but we did find a misty mountain. We have flat buns.
No, we have this stuff.
Annie was sitting on the buns.
No, look.
They're so flat. Look how flat. Yes.
What?
Your hot dog dropped on the ground. Is it okay?
I put it in back.
Going back through the water, I was happy to see Chris is going twice as fast. Now we're looking for like a little waterfall or like a little stream or something, someplace pretty, so we can have our little meditation.
How do you turn this thing off? See where you turn it off.
That is a heck of a nice valley.
Just wait till summer. We're gonna go down to the Squamish Valley. Then you'll see what epic is.
That tree is in the way.
It's just amazing. Like, all of this stuff was at some point cut down and reforested, and now it's being reharvested and replanted. It's like there's very little of BC that is like actual original growth. So it's really cool to see how it, you know, we're able to actually clean up the planet when we try.
So like all of these in front of us are definitely planted, but you're saying even that huge one is probably planted.
Most likely, yeah. I would be very surprised if it wasn't.
Interesting.
And I think in the 20s we started planting in BC. Let's go further down and inflate the tires. I have never used something this cool. They're easy. It's just easy.
There was just one last thing we had to do before getting back on the highway. Give them a promise. So, interestingly, this one actually moved. So far, out of 15 bolts, 2 have moved, but not very much. Maybe you don't have to do this every single time, but it's like once burned, twice shy kind of thing. And everybody who does the Sea to Sky Highway knows this spot. Just absolutely stunning. The sun has come out fully. Beautiful. It has so many nooks and crannies, like you gotta really get that undercarriage. Yeah.
I need to get rid of that one, but I don't have the guts to actually do that.
Well, the sticker will come off way before the paint does.
You think?
Oh yeah.
Woo!
So that's just a little story of brothers. A Jeep and a Toyota.